Hello, this is Dr. Jeff, and every now and then I do like to have lunch with my mom, and we'll be going back to Modangak. It's a Korean restaurant, and we'll be having one of their signature dishes, Pyongyang Mul Naengmyeon. So it's basically noodles, but if you heard that first part, Pyongyang, it may sound familiar because today Pyongyang is the capital of North Korea. But this is just a reminder that for a long time, Korea was one, and that division is something that's more recent. But still, the flavors and the tastes remain in the memory of many because of the displaced populations. And it's still a favorite of many South Koreans and all Koreans, which are made out of buckwheat, typically are not cut, so you just chew the noodles. They're long, but you are able to bite through them. It's a little less spicy than the mul naengmyeon that you'll oftentimes find in South Korea. And it'll also have some brisket, cucumber, radish. It should be a refreshing dish, and the kimchi side dishes, which oftentimes come with Korean dishes as well. So what was really cool about that place is they had like the two noodles side by side. The Pyongyang noodles, which is kind of like more of a milder tasting, very clear and refreshing kind of broth, with the spicy naengmyeon, right? A smaller portion on the side. So kind of tasting one, tasting another, tasting one, one from north, one more of a southern kind of flavor was awesome. Once again, at Modangak, I'm reminded of how a nation was divided into two different parts, but really the people have been one for so long, and it made me just want to lift up a prayer. My hope is that there's democracy all across the land of the Koreas.